Hello and welcome to another craft with Jodie. Today we're going to make some Kindy gifts. These were for my grandson's daycare Kindy. So these are Christmas colouring cards. Now I found the project in Design Space and they have a little slot to hold the crayons. So I found the designs that of the project that I liked, and some of the images I thought were a little too much for Kindy kids, so I've then deleted those ones that I didn't want and I've replaced them with images that I thought would be a lot easier for the little kids to colour in. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just arranging them into the images that I think are great. I've duplicated them to get the right size and then taking the image out that I don't want, and then obviously going over to our image panel here, and obviously Christmas popped up because it's that time of year. And I've gone down and found something that I would think would be fairly easy for Kindy kids to colour in. So I love this little gingerbread house, so that's what I have used. Obviously, to change it to the setting for colouring, we want to go up to our operation panel and change it to pen. And here we're doing another little card, and on this one I decided to do a little reindeer head because, you know, we all need that little Rudolph. So again, go in, select the image, pop it on your little card, adjust the size of it to the size that you wish to have on there, and then obviously go up and change it to pen. Then we are going to make the project. So we're going to click on that little green button that says make. Firstly though, we are going to select those two panels that I have done and attach those two images to the cards. And we are Cricut are going to want you to save the project, so there I'm saving it into my Christmas folder. And on here obviously I used a A4 piece of white card, so not all the images were going to fit on this particular mat, so I had to hide some of the images and go and select on the right hand side with project copies 2. That way gave me 2 mats and I was able to make 2 lots of the designs, as I could only fit 3 images on the A4 sheet of paper, which I'm doing here. I'm just arranging them onto my mat where I want them to draw and cut, and hiding the images that won't fit. So we're going to hit that continue button, and that's going to take us into selecting our machine and selecting our cardstock. And I always like to do a little bit more for cutting wise, so it cuts all the way through. And here we go, you can see there's my pen drawing out the images. Once it's finished drawing your images, then it's going to cut the shape for you. So here we go, it's cutting out that shape there. Just finished drawing the little reindeer. Now we're going to cut that shape out. So I sped up the process. It's making our little crayon holders, and there you go, that is our crayon colouring cards with crayon holder. And I'm just now taking them off the mat and popping them out. You'll see here that one of them stayed behind, but a couple of them I had to just push them a little bit. That's why I do the more on the cutting section or the pressure of the blade, so that I can pop them out easily without tearing them. There you go. They turned out beautifully, and I'm sure the kids will love them. So be sure to follow me on social media. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, happy crafting. Have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful 2025. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.